Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update, we're going through a new feature recently released to QuickBooks Online Accountant called Prep for Taxes. Now, as the name may suggest, what this feature does enable you to do is really streamline that process of year-end tax preparation within QuickBooks Online Accountant. So without further ado, let's see this in action. First thing you're going to notice is the new look and feel client list when you log in, and a new column called Prep for Taxes. For any active QuickBooks Online subscription, and I have a few cancelled companies here, you can actually see a little link for review data. So you can click on that to jump into Prep for Taxes. And what's I'm going to do is going to load in your balance sheet accounts and your profit and loss accounts all in one sheet. One thing to note is you can also access this feature by clicking on the briefcase while in any QuickBooks Online file and selecting the option Prep for Taxes. So you see here, it's got my balance sheet accounts, it's got my profit and loss accounts, and I have the ability to be able to drill down further. So I'm going to drill into my current assets, and you can see I've already been working through and marking these accounts off as final by ticking them off. You can easily make those adjustments for year end. You can edit any notes, and you can obviously manage those attachments. So you see here, I've got a note here for my asset account called I Like Assets, and I have an attachment already here called, there you go, just the QuickBooks logo, and you can see it there. I can add additional sort of documentation, or I can remove it, and etc. So we're going to close that off there. One final sort of thing to note, or a couple other things we've got to note, is you do have the ability obviously to toggle between tax years, change it to a cash or accrual depending on your business needs, and you also have the ability to sort of accept changes. So what this means is, when you first load this in for a tax year, it's going to create a snapshot. So any adjustments you, your colleagues, or your client may make after that point, before you've finalized the tax year, you can actually choose whether to accept them or not, and you can sort of like veto them. So it's a really sort of helpful feature there. So basically, that is the feature of Prep for Taxes. We do have an exciting update around export to Logic, which you may already see in your file today, but I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to have a new video on that in the very near future. So without further ado, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Catch you later, guys.